Gals. Good morning, all. How are we doing? All right, so last Monday was pretty crazy. I don't know what to think about this Monday, okay? Right now, two of those names that helped make things very crazy, BIMI and SCS, are all over this list, okay? That's not BIMI, is it? Oh, it is. Okay, and SCS. Pets is on this list also. Tango Mike Delta India is on the list, but they only have traded 2,000 shares. But they're one of the names that we are familiar with, along with SPHS. These are semi-lower float names. Their float's definitely gotten bigger. That are sub $1 that you want to take a look at, that are up on volume. Sneakiest name on my list, guys and gals, is Papa Echo Delta, PED. Okay? And that's a name that's tied to, I believe, energy. Yeah, Ed, let's get it. Yeah, Bob, let's get it. All right, so BIMI, SCS, first moves, of course, are down. We want to keep an eye on them. Oh, get going, Goldman Sachs.